Imagine sitting in a meeting where every decision, action item, and follow-up task is automatically recorded and prioritized for you. No more scribbling notes on a pad, no more missed deadlines, and no more frustration. Welcome to the world of AI meeting assistants, the game-changing technology that's revolutionizing the way we work together. In this tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to set up and use an AI meeting assistant step by step. We'll cover the top features, provide real-world examples, and give you actionable tips to get the most out of this powerful tool. By the end of this video, you'll be able to streamline your meetings, boost productivity, and take your teamwork to the next level. To get started, let's look at one of the top AI meeting assistants on the market, MeetingMind. With over 100,000 users worldwide, MeetingMind is the go-to solution for businesses and professionals looking to take their meeting game to the next level. To set up MeetingMind, simply log